Hey guys, a very warm welcome to all of you to my class. And guys, today is an amazing day. How many of you guys are having an amazing day going on today? How many of you guys are having an amazing Monday going on? A very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you guys are all doing great today. Hi Bhavya, hi Amit, hi Manish, hi a lot of hi coming there. Hi Tarun, hi Joel, hi Angel, hi Praveen, hi Devanda, hi Sia. A very big hi to all of you guys. A very big hi. Yes, we did meet yesterday. I hope all of you loved the yesterday's class. And today also we're going to do something very amazing. And yes, we are starting with our very own Siksha series today. And today we are starting with that amazing class. So class 7th, and we are starting with our first chapter. That is heat. Yes, so are you guys heated up today? Are you guys energetic to start with this amazing session with me, where we are also going to have a mentee at the last? As for all of you guys who are asking what about mentee, yes, we do have an amazing mentee at the last. So are you guys ready? Give me a quick yes, all of you. Give me a quick yes. Hi. Hi Komal, hi to all of you guys. Come on, give me a quick yes if you guys are ready, excited to start the class with me today, where we are going to learn this easy chapter. Such an easy chapter heat is, right? And that is what we are going to be learning today, with amazing, beautiful slides and a lot of amazing mentee questions at the end of the session. All right, now before we start with the session, since most of you guys are meeting me for the first time, yes, if you guys do not know me, my name is Mohan, master teacher of science from Vedantu, here today with all of you, where we are going to discuss this heat chapter so easily. So after this class, I promise you, heat is going to be on your fingertips. You can easily understand what exactly heat is. Now guys, before we move forward, I want to ask all of you guys a question. For how many of you guys science is your favorite subject? Give me a quick yes if science is your favorite subject. Is science your favorite subject? Okay, I can already see a few guys are like, yes sir, science is my favorite subject. Nice. That's amazing. So guys, of course, science is my favorite subject. And when somebody asks me, they're like, hey Mohan, why? Why is science your favorite subject? I be like, why not? Just look around you. Everything that happens around us is because of science. Don't you guys think? Each and everything happens around us is because of science. So when science can be everywhere, when science is so fascinating, why not make it your favorite subject? Right, guys? Exactly. So for all of those guys who are like, sir, no, science is not my cup of tea, do not worry. I will make sure you guys will start loving science little by little as you keep on attending my classes, and that's my promise. All right, guys. Now, one of such fascinating topic is what heat is all about. All right. Now, this chapter is quite easy. It can get a little bit of tricky in some places, but do not worry. We'll try to understand so easily. All right, now I hope all of you are ready to move forward with this chapter, and let us go ahead and start learning about heat, guys. Yes, now first important thing before that, let us talk about a beautiful quote given by John Wooden. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. What does this mean? How many of you guys like extracurricular activities? Apart from your academics, what is that activity you love the most? Don't tell gaming, da. Apart from that, what do you guys love? Apart from academics. Come on. What do you guys love? Tell me. Arts. Nice. What type of arts? Singing. Oh, I have a lot of singers in my class. Dancing, drawing, craft. Right? Okay, cricket. Nice. Playing sports, swimming. I can gardening, drawing, football. I can see a lot of things coming up over there, guys. So I always suggest this one thing to all my wonderful young wonders out there. Guys, academics, let it be. Keep on doing academics. At the same time, also focus on the things that you really love. Things like this, right? These are the things that will make you feel alive, that will make you happy. You have to learn how to multitask between these two activities. One is academics, one is these things. I always did it, guys. When I was in school, I was still dancing. When I was in college, I was still dancing. When I'm still working right now, I'm still dancing. So this is something, and dancing is something that keeps me alive, keeps me happy. So I would tell all of you guys to do something that really makes you happy, and never stop doing it, no matter who tells you. Do not stop doing it. And just as this quote tells, if you're really good at something, if you're really amazing at something, keep doing it. Keep doing it and make that as your goal, guys. If you're really good at cricket, make that as your goal. I want to become like such. I want to become a very good cricketer. Make that your goal, guys. So whatever you're really good at, focus on that, be that, and make that as your goal. Some few things which you are not interested, not really good at, keep doing it, but do not focus on that. All right, and that would be my personal advice, and I hope all of you guys will follow. And I hope that I would be seeing amazing cricketers, amazing chefs, amazing craft persons, amazing singers, dancers from my class. Okay, I have that confidence. All right, so go to the stage one day and tell, okay, Mohan sir told us one day to follow our dreams, and here we are. All right, yes, guys. So now as we move on forward, we'll talk about the topic for today, and that is going to be heat. That is going to be heat. And when we get started with this chapter, no, I always used to have this one thought. There is one problem that we all face. I don't know if you guys have faced. I have always been facing this one problem whenever I travel. So I used to, before this pandemic, I used to be a travel person. I used to travel to different places and different cities and all of that. Whenever we go there, guys, whenever we go there, that one problem that comes to all of us, we stay in a good hotel, and the problem in the shower. What is that problem? Adjusting the shower, guys. How hot you want to be, how cold you want to be. How many of you guys have been facing this problem? I literally take half an hour, guys. Half an hour just to adjust. Okay, this much hot? No, this is very cold now. This is very cold. I want a little bit hot. How many of you guys do it? Right, exactly. Why is it so difficult? In our house, we know. Okay, I can close my eyes. I can turn the walls in my house. But if we go out, finding that proper water to bath is so difficult. So difficult, right? Exactly. This is so true, right, guys? Right? Amazing. So, because we need a certain amount of heat or hot water to bath with, right? Now, why am I talking about this? Is there is a relation between what we are learning today and what we have been experiencing. I told, no, science is there everywhere. Da. Wherever you look, there is science. Right? Right? Let us go forward now. So in today's class, we'll be talking about heat, the main chapter. And under that, we'll be talking about the introduction of the chapter, which is already going on. And we'll be doing a measuring temperature. How do we measure it? That is what we are going to be learning today's class. Let us move forward and discuss. And as happened in the yesterday's class also, please focus on the slides, because the mentee is going to be based on this. And again, I'm telling you, today is the right class, easy class to get your name on the leaderboard. Easiest class. So today, if you try a little bit harder, you can easily get your name and you'll be like, hey, look at that. My name is on the leaderboard. You can do it. You can do it. So make sure all of you guys, focus on what I'm telling. People who are asking, shout out. Come on the leaderboard. No, automatically I'll shout out. Shout out, scream out, all the out I'll do. All right, so let's focus on the slides and let us move forward and understand this heat never like before. Yes, so we have all been heard about this, right? Do not touch hot items. Be careful in handling hot stuff, right? Do not touch something very hot, right? We always have been hearing this thing in our mind. Okay, fine, we should not touch hot things because it really burns us, right? It creates a scar and we don't like being hurt. But in some cases, we have to, right? If you have to go to to take bath, we'll touch the water. This hotness is enough. So we also depend on our sense of touch to understand if something is hot, right? You go to a nice hotel. I'm a South Indian, so you go to a nice masala dosa hotel, and you touch the dosa and see. Though if dosa is not hot, that is not dosa only. How many of you guys agree? I'm a foodie, so you're gonna hear a lot of food jokes in my class, right? Dosa is not hot, who will eat? Exactly. Right. So I'm touching dosa is not hot. I'm like, Vaya, dosa. Then we'll be like, So we also depend on our sense of touch to see if something is hot, if something is not hot enough. That is what we do. But there is always a problem in this, guys. Just let me know if you guys have also faced this. All right. Now what I do is, same shower example, I go turn on the shower. I just turned on the geyser, so the water is not that hot. It is lukewarm. So I'm bathing in this lukewarm water. I'm like, I'm a person who likes hot water. So even the lukewarm water, I don't feel hot. I'm like, no, this is not the water I want. Then what happens? Sometimes when I bath with cold water and then go to lukewarm water, The lukewarm water feels very hot. How many of you guys have experienced this? When you go from cold water to lukewarm, the lukewarm feels like really hot. Yes. Or one more example. There is a lukewarm glass of water. One more glass of ice cube. So 2 glasses. One lukewarm, one ice cube. You're keeping your hand in the ice cube for a few minutes, taking it, keeping it in lukewarm. Suddenly the lukewarm feels very hot. Why is that, guys? Now, why is your senses telling you something wrong? When the water is only lukewarm, why is your senses telling it's very hot? Now you see, there is that problem. That is, you cannot completely depend on if something is hot or if something is cold based on your touch, based on your sense of touch, because it can fool you. Do you guys agree? Yes? Yes, I hope no dosa shop guy is watching this, because next time I go to a dosa shop and be like, Bhaiya, it's not hot. He's like, how did you see? By touching it. You only told me by touching it, we cannot depend on it completely, right? So I hope nobody is watching it from dosa shop. But yes, that is the fact, guys. We cannot completely depend on our senses to see if something is hot or not. Now, what can we do to measure this? Or what exactly is this hotness, first of all, right? That is when something beautiful comes into picture. That is, we come across a lot of items in our everyday's life which are hot as well as cold, right? Juices, and there's my favorite ice cream. How many of you guys like blackcurrant? Blackcurrant is my favorite ice cream. How many of you guys like blackcurrant? How many of you guys like blackcurrant? Yes, that's my favorite. That's my favorite. All right. Yes. So we see a lot of cold items, hot items in our everyday's life, right? Every morning we need something hot, hot green tea, hot chai, hot cup of coffee, right? In the evenings, when we feel like eating snacks, some cool ice cream, right? So we come across all of these hot and cold items in our day-to-day life, and some are really hot, some of them are cold, right? Now, on what basis, apart from touching it, can we tell if something is hot or if something is cold? That is based on their temperature. Right now, this temperature is the scariest word right now. How many, right? Every time you'll be like, okay, do I have temperature? Oh, please, Jai Mata Di, no temperature, right? Because the situation is going on right now. So I hope all of you are not hot right now, right? So what is this temperature? A measure of hotness or coldness. Now, this is something you might be thinking, sir, hotness, though I do agree, but what about this coldness? Can we measure cold also? Definitely, guys. So a temperature is a measure of hotness or a coldness of an object, can be relied upon this temperature ka value. Okay, easy as that. So if the objects are hot, that means their temperature is also, if the objects are hot, the temperature is high, right? The temperature is high. If the objects are cold, their temperature is low, right? So if it is hot, the temperature is high. If it is cold, the temperature is low. Similarly, same thing happens with us. If we have a fever, our temperature is high. That is why we feel hot, right? If we don't have fever, if we are the coolest guy around, our temperature is less because we are cool, right, guys? Yes, so all of you guys, be cool right now. Let the pandemic pass, and then we'll all become hot again. Let's all be the coolest guys now. Then we'll become the hottest guys again. Okay? Right? Yes, all of you guys, I hope all of you are staying safe. Be safe. Do not go out. Attend the classes. If right, if you don't like me, attend other classes also. But do not go out. No, don't go out. Right? Be Captain Cool right now. Yes, somebody's telling. So Captain Cool. Yes, be Captain Cool. Literally Captain Cool. Always try saying cool. Try staying cool, guys. All right. Now, moving on forward. Yes. So how do we measure this temperature? How do we know if something is hot or not? That we know based on their temperature. But how do we measure this? That we measure using the values. All right. Now, the normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay. That is the normal. So if you're 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, you are the normal person. Okay, I'm fine. I have nothing. I'm strong. Right? All of that is fine. Now, always remember, whenever you mention temperature, never forget to mention the degree, the unit, right? Without unit, it's nothing. 37, my body temperature is 37. Huh? So you have to tell if it is degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit and all of it. Okay, so we have three different units when we talk about temperatures. One is degree Celsius, right? Next is Fahrenheit. Next is Kelvin. All right, so normal body temperature of the human being in Celsius is 37 and in Fahrenheit is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. That is the normal. All right. Yes, let us go forward. Yes. So how do we measure this Fahrenheit or degree Celsius? Using what do we measure this is the question right now. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. What do we use there? So we use thermometers. This is something which is going boom nowadays, right? If you're a person who has a thermometer industry or thermometer company, oh my God, it's too much profits nowadays, no? Everybody is buying a thermometer. Everybody wants to check if you're hot, if you have fever and all of that. Right, exactly. How many of you guys have a thermometer in your house? How many of you guys have a thermometer in your house? How many have a thermometer? You have already? Okay, Akshat has it, Aryan has it, Divya has it, Rani has it, Dinam has it, Manpreet has it. Everybody have it? Great, great. This has become like a necessity in everybody's house to have a thermometer nowadays, no? Exactly. But in this thermometers, we have different types also. We have clinical thermometer, we have digital thermometer, we have laboratory thermometer, and we have maximum and minimum thermometer. So which one do you guys have? Which one do you guys have? Clinical? I'm guessing it's clinical or digital. Clinical? Who's the all? You're having all, huh? Or you're having a shop of thermometer? Yes, what is it? Yes, definitely most of you guys will be having either clinical or digital. Now you might be wondering, sir, what about laboratory? What about this laboratory thermometer? What is the main use of it? Don't worry, we'll be discussing about each one of this as we move on forward. Got it? Yes? Oh, I'm your favorite. You're my favorite. Yes, let's go forward. Clinical, digital, laboratory, and maximum and minimum thermometers. So these are the devices which give us the value of the temperature. It will tell us if something is hot or cold based on the temperature. Cool as that? Definitely. Now moving on forward, yes, we do have two pictures here. First picture is of the clinical thermometer. Second picture at the bottom, this is the laboratory thermometer and maximum minimum thermometer. Same thing. Okay, first let us all focus on the clinical thermometer properly. Got it? Look at this. When I was small, so thermometers was not something which everybody used to have. There used to be one thermometer per one town or one street in a small clinic. So we used to go there. The nurse used to be fat. She's like, come here. Fever, no? Come. Then she used to take the thermometer from somebody's mouth and clean it and keep it in my mouth. I'm like, oh God, even if I don't have fever, I will definitely get fever now. Right? Exactly. That used to be a clinical thermometer, guys. Something that looked like this. Right? Exactly. Now, if you focus on, if you guys have seen clinical thermometers, you can easily find something very, very shiny at the bottom. Now, this part is called the bulb of the thermometer, which is so shiny, no? Yes, shiny. Now, on the top, if you see, the tube goes like this. And it has various markings on top of it. You can see it. It has 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. All of these markings are right there on the glass tube. Right? And that is a graduated scale. Now, when you talk about the clinical thermometer, you can find the same type of design in the laboratory thermometer also. In fact, this is a quite longer, that is shorter. But there is that one thing which is missing. Can you guys find which is there in clinical, which is not there in laboratory thermometer? What is that one thing that is missing out? What is it? Is there menti? Of course, there is menti, guys. There is menti. Inaya is stuck in paneer dosa. Dosa is over, da. The kink, exactly. The kink is there. And what is this kink? And what is there inside the mercury is what we're going to talk about. So inside the mercury, we have an amazing liquid metal called as mercury. Now mercury is present inside the thermometer. You can ask me, sir, why mercury? Why can't people use platinum, gold, silver, iron, copper? Why mercury? Because mercury is in the liquid form in the room temperature. We know it's a liquid metal, right? Mercury is also poisonous. Do not think about playing with mercury. No, right? Now this, why do we exactly use mercury? Is it only because it's liquid metal? No. Mercury can also expand great when you give a little bit of heat. So what happens if you keep it in your mouth? The amount of heat in your body is enough to make the mercury expand. We know objects expand when heated. So mercury starts to expand. Now, gold is expensive, I know. Now, mercury starts to expand. Does it have any place to go? No. It doesn't have any place to go, but there is one place. That is along the tube, up along the tube. You can see this line. That is the empty space where the mercury has, so it can go up. It can expand. Got it? Now, when we keep it in the mouth, the heat is expanding, is making the mercury expand. Now, the mercury expands and goes up. So, depending on the heat, the expansion is like that. More heat, more expansion. Less heat, less expansion. Clear? That is why we use mercury. But there comes one problem. Yes, as I told you, the nurse that I had in my street when I was small, she used to take from somebody's mouth, clean it and keep it in my mouth. Right? So in that cases, if that guy had, let us say that guy measured around 39 degrees Celsius and she just takes it, keeps it in my mouth and she checks. Mine will also be 39 degrees Celsius because mercury is already at the top. Right? That will happen in the clinical thermometer. There is a possibility. Now, what do? You might have seen the nurses or the doctors taking the thermometer, seeing you and doing, How many of you guys have seen that? Doctors doing this, watching you in the side eye and doing the thermometer like this. Have you guys seen it? Yes? Yes, of course, right? So I used to think because the doctors hate me, because they used to see like this and do like this. Get out of my hospital. But and later on, I understood, okay, that is not the reason, not because she hates me, but she has to bring down the mercury level. All right. So the mercury present inside the thermometer stays there at 39 degrees Celsius. It is not coming down. Why is it not coming down? Because there is a block inside the thermometer, that is the kink. So kink is not letting the mercury to fall down. Mercury is staying in its own place. Right? My temperature is 30. If I'm keeping it, temperature is 39. Keep it for 2 hours. It will be 39 only. It will not at all come down. That is the reason the doctors or the nurses do this. Chuck, 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 chuck. And the mercury will fall down back to the bulb. Right? Yes, it's too hot here, guys. I'm sweating. Yes, the mercury will fall back to the bulb again. So again, you can clean it, keep it in somebody's mouth and measure the temperature of them. That is about clinical thermometer. But that will not happen in the laboratory thermometer. Why is it? Because in the laboratory thermometer, you have to measure the temperature when the thermometer is inside the liquid. Laboratory thermometer is used in the labs to measure the temperature of chemicals, to measure the temperature of a lot of different things in the solution form, which are in liquid form. So what they will do, they will take the solution which is hot or cold. They will take the thermometer, put it inside and wait. The temperature will increase. So if I am putting it in the hot water, when the water is boiling, what should be my temperature for boiling water? For boiling water, what should be the temperature in the laboratory thermometer? In the chat box, come on. 100, exactly, Anil. It has to be 100 what? I told you, never type only numbers. What? 100 what? 100 runs, 100 degrees Celsius, exactly. That is the boiling temperature of water. So I can measure the boiling temperature. I'm like, fine. Yes, it is 100 only, correct. Now, once I take the temperature out of the liquid, the mercury will fall back. It doesn't have a kink. Not needed, right? So because you have to only measure the temperature when it is inside the liquid. When you take it out, the mercury will fall back. And if you have to measure again keep it inside. That's all. So mercury basically kink basically stops the mercury from falling back again, which is not there in laboratory thermometer. And we have maximum and minimum thermometers also, which work or which tell us the maximum temperature of the day and the minimum temperature of the day, right? If you guys focus on your phone, if you take your phone and see the weather report, it will give one value and two values will be there for the temperature, 37, 38 or 30, 32. So one is the minimum temperature of the day, other one is the maximum temperature of the day. So for that also they use thermometers, which will show us the minimum temperature of the day and the maximum temperature of the day, right? So for basically for temperature, we use thermometers. Simple as that. Now there might be one question on your mind. So all this is fine. What about the digital ones? So in the digital ones, we have special sensors, a lot of circuit inside, which will sense the temperature and tell us. There is no mercury, but there is sensors inside, present inside the thermometer, which will tell us the amount of temperature that we have. Got it, guys? So now are you guys ready for the Menti that we have? Are you guys ready for the Menti? Yes, give me a quick yes if you guys are ready for the Menti. Yes? Yes, ready for the Menti? Great job, guys. So the code is 75409830. Let us go for the Menti. Yes, let us go for the Menti. 1 second. Where is the Menti? Yes, so I hope all of you guys are ready, and the code for the Menti is 15143828. Yes, I think the code has changed. It is 15143828. Yes, the code has changed, guys. So it's 15143828. All of you join in, guys, quickly. Let me see who's going to be there on top today. On top today. Come on. Ready? I repeat the code 15143828. Are you guys ready? I can see 56 joined already. Come on, guys, all of you in the class, quickly. Join in. Fatafat. 15143828. Easy quiz. Only few questions. Okay, we can easily get this today. Are you guys ready? Yes, go to menti.com, guys. If you guys are here for the first time, go to www.menti.com and there enter the code 15143828. Yes, also if you guys still have doubts, check the pinned comments under my video. You can find it also there. www.menti.com and use the code 15143828. Got it? Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and start the quiz right now. I hope all of you guys are ready. Let's see how many of you guys have joined in already. Nice. I can see a lot of you guys. Right. So 5 questions, easy questions. So many avatars over here. Wow. So I'm going to start the first question for all of you. I hope all of you guys are ready. I am so excited to see who's going to be there on the leaderboard today. Who's going to be there on the fastest fingers list? Yes, let us go forward, guys. Yes, cheek. I hope all of you guys are ready. First question for all of you guys. What is that question? Which one of the following is a reliable measure? Hotness, coldness, temperature, none of this. Which of the following is a reliable measure? Which can you trust the measure? How do you measure? On the basis of what? Easy, guys, come on. Hotness, coldness, temperature, none of these. Come on, guys, come on, join in. Answer the right one. I can see a lot of answers coming in the chat box also. Nice. So what is the answer, guys, for this? The answer for this is obviously temperature. Definitely, temperature is the right one, guys. That is what we rely on to measure the hotness or the coldness. It's a reliable source, right? Good job, guys. Let's see who is on the top. Oh, we have Thomas, Puffy, Frosty, Vote Goat, Venture, Clippy, Magical Rhino. Wow. Zlatan, Skids, Abhishek, you're fab. Okay, nice. Abhishek, you're fabulous. Huh? Oh, nice, nice. Yes, the Thomas, the fastest one. Very good, guys. Keep it up. I can see good, a good competition going on. Just 7 points different between Puffy and Thomas. Nice. Come on, guys. You can do it. Next one, next one, next one. Others, come on now. Focus. Focus. Second question. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's check it out. Answer fast to get more points. You guys know it. And the question is, name the device which is used to measure the hotness or coldness of an object. Oh my god. Picometer, barometer, manometer, thermometer. What is the right one? So easy questions, no? You guys are so smart. You guys are super smart. You know, questions have to be this level for all of you. 10 more seconds. Come on, quickly. Let's see. Let's see if Puffy can beat Thomas. And all of you can go up one more step. Come on. Time's up. What is the right answer? Obviously, thermometer. Yes, guys. So who are those people who gave manometer, barometer, picometer? Huh? What is this? Let us see who got the right one. Oh no, Thomas has disappeared. We have Ishan. Are you Tamil? Of course. Yes, I am Tamilan. I am from Tamil Nadu. Alright. Yes. Rahul Nair, Ankita, Lavanya, Charvi, Abhishek, your fab. Dil se bulaya, Ashutosh Aya. Wow. Siddharth, Avai, Bhagat. Rudra, remember my name. Okay, Rudra. Saksham Bansal. Very good job, all of you guys. You guys are amazing. Now let us move to the next question. Yes? Cheating? Who's cheating there? Yes, next one. Third question. I hope all of you guys are ready. Hi, Janvi. Yes. Here it is. Here it is. Which one is filled in the bulb of the thermometer? What is there inside? Mercury, lead, copper, silver. What is it? Platinum, no? Let's see. What is inside the mercury? What is it? Copper, huh? What is it? Mercury, lead, copper, silver. What is it? Mars. Right. The right answer for this is obviously Mercury. Good job. So Mercury is the right one, and I hope all of you also know why Mercury is inside the thermometer, right? Because it can expand properly, right? It's also a liquid metal. Let's see. Do we have Thomas back? Puffy back? Ishan still at the top? Let's see. Alright, again, Ishan at the top again. Rahul, Charvi, Abhishek, Lavanya, Rudra, Ankita, Dil se bulaya, Ashutosh Aya, Saksham, Siddharth. Good job, guys. Good job. Keep up the same energy. Few more questions. Let us talk about that. Okay, next one. What is the question? The question in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Answer fast to get more points. What is the normal temperature of a healthy person? Yes, easy. 37 degrees Celsius, 37 degree Fahrenheit, 37 Kelvin. None of this, sir. What is it? I told you it is going to be from the slides. If you guys had focused on, you could have got the right answers. People who are getting wrong, see? Physics is so easy, Suryash. Yes, it is easy. It is easy. Time's up. Let's see who got the right answer now. It is obviously 37 degrees Celsius, right? 37 degrees Celsius is the right answer. Of course, it is in Fahrenheit. It is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Now, what is it? Who got it? Who got it? So easy, no? Exactly, Malpreet. Mehpreet. Ishan, are you Tamil? Is at the top again. Yes, he's at the top. He's the fastest. Very good, Ishan. Then we have Rudra, remember my name. Charvi, Lavanya, Siddharth, Mehpreet. You're so fun. Thank you. Rahul, Dil se bulaya, Ashutosh Aya. It's like, okay, I think that means when you call somebody with love, Ashutosh came, no? Something like that, no? Okay. Sri Anand. Okay, Srinand, Ankita Sen. Very good job, all of you guys. Next question. I hope all of you guys are ready. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? One last question. One last question. What is it? Fifth question in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start the countdown. Let's see who gets the right for one last question. Come on, guys. Come on. Let me see most of you guys giving right answer. Thermometer is used to measure what? Only cold. Only hot. Both cold and hot. None of this. Why do we use a thermometer? Why? Why? Dandanadan. Who's that? So it is used to measure. Oh my god, so easy. Exactly, so easy. I told you guys in the beginning only, no? Today is the right class to get your name on the leaderboard. I told you. It is for measuring both hot and cold. Exactly, that is why we use the thermometer. Right, guys, amazing. Let's see who got the right answer. Who is there on the top now? Let us check it out. Ishan, are you still on the top? Let's see. Oh, I think there is nobody to beat Ishan today. Ishan is... Oh my god. That is what you say. That is what you say. Yes, Ishan is at the top with 4960 points. Very good, Ishan. And all the others who are there on the leaderboard, you guys were amazing. Congratulations for all of you guys. Yes, great job. Great job. Great job. Others, do not worry. Lot more classes with me. Lot more mentee with me. Try. Keep trying until your name will be there on the screen like this. And I'm pretty sure you guys can do it. You guys can do it. Because you guys are my students. You guys are wonderful. We can do it together. Right, guys? So, great. So, yes, that was amazing for today. And if you guys are new to this channel, if you guys haven't liked or shared or subscribed, please do like the video right now. And also, please do subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders, guys, all of you. Because we're going to have a lot more fun coming up in the class. We're going to have a lot more amazing sessions, lot more fun-filled classes. So make sure all of you guys be here, subscribe, share this, like, and also comment what you would like to see in the classes, in the upcoming classes. So yes, guys, I hope all of you guys had fun. So until then, this is me, Mohan, signing off in today's session. All of you take care, stay safe, and stay as lovely as always you guys are. Bye-bye.